Hi, it's Lana and Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and we're reviewing the plans for our latest project. And she's going to need a bit of help when it comes to the roof. So let's head to the Monier website, Bon. What are you thinking in terms of design?
Look, I think because we've got the original house, I don't want it to be too dissimilar to the tile that is on the original roof.
What about the horizon profile? Look at that. It looks
That's
just like
nice. In the dark, that's beautiful.
it. Which, because there are a few darks.
Barramundi or Sambuca. I don't like Sambuca.
Yeah, for me it's tequila. Barramundi then.
Barramundi then. With the roof line, you have the A-line ridge.
I've never seen that before. I've
Well,
always seen roofs with the latch ridge.
No, well look at this one. This will be perfect because that's what will give it that modern edge.
So we'll put the horizon profile on the extension and the new carport,
Yes.
and then spray the existing old concrete roof tiles.
Same colour.
The same colour using the roof coat product that Monier have as well.
Yeah.
And that's why they can colour match it perfectly. And it will just look seamless even though there are some different profiles in there.
Yeah, and it's a concrete tile, so
Yeah.
get sick of the colour later.
You can change it. And
change
did
it.
you know that concrete strengthens with age? It actually
Really?
gets better with age.
Like my husband.
Really?
Yeah, he's much better now.
So here we are at the finished house, and we are so happy with how the roof has turned out. It's completely transformed the street appeal of this home. So you remember the original tiles of this house were old, brown concrete tiles. So we called in the roofing specialist from Monier to give it a spray and bring it back to life. And out the back here, we went with the Horizon Profile by Monier, and we love it. It's a gorgeous concrete tile that looks like slate, but is much more affordable. And we chose that in the colour Barramundi, which is the same colour we sprayed the existing tiles at the front of the house. And we used A-line ridging for a streamlined finish. And the other thing we love about the Monier Horizon tile is that it's got an advanced coating technology called C-Lock, which has been independently tested to guarantee the colour lasts for longer. So if you want to learn more about roofing, head to the Monier website. You can check out their lookbook, or you can request a roofing restoration consultation at your house.